Good morning. I'm about to do my makeup. I want to show you guys this Burberry thing that I'm only going to use in the high points of my face today. So I just put on my moisturizer in SPF, which is the Image Skincare 32 SPF. It says daily matte moisturizer and oil-free. Is oil-free, definitely not matte, as you can see by my glowy skin. So I just used this Burberry. It is Nude Radiance No. 1 Fresh Glow Luminous Liquid Base. And I put a little dab on the back of my finger, or the back of my hand, and I'm gonna dab it in the place where I want it to be highlighted. Okay. And so now I'm just gonna do this. Do you guys see that? That natural glow? I'll take whatever is left and put it on my chin. So that's gonna be like the base for my foundation today. But look at that. It's so glowy. So now I'm gonna put on, you guys are gonna be right here, this IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. I wanted something a little lighter, lightweight for today. So I'm using the CC cream and just blending it all in. Actually, I think I might use a brush for this instead. Yeah. I'm gonna use my IT Cosmetics brush and then go over it. So it's definitely not full coverage because it's like a CC cream, but it's enough coverage that I want for today. Andrew's filming, so am I. So I'm gonna, for my under eyes, use the NARS Creamy Concealer. Bring it down and around. And then I usually like to do my fingers because it's like really creamy. And then go over it with a beauty blender. But I like this because it really, this color at least, because it really matches my skin tone. Gives it a very natural look. Bright-eyed and bush-tailed. See that natural coverage. And then we'll... So I'm gonna finish out the rest of my face, but I just wanted to show you guys this part. Makeup is done. We did the CC cream, under eye together. I put Laura Mercier Bright Secret Brightening Powder underneath. Anastasia Brow, which need to defuse a little. Brow Wiz. Benefit Hoola bronzer. Milani Baked Blush, and then a little bit of Becca highlighter over the top. YSL The Shock mascara, and then bronzer and highlighter on my eye. And that's it. That's how I got here. And I'm wearing this today. It's my bell skirt with a black tank top. We're gonna go on a boat ride today, see a bunch of villas, but not before we get picked up, and we're gonna go eat lunch. Yeah, the exciting. We're just waiting for our little cab. Her name is Rita. She's the cutest. Back at Cafe Verona, doing the same old song and dance. Andrew got peaches with prosciutto instead of melon. It says not as good as with melon. This is what's left over. Got pasta with mushrooms and I don't know what else, but it was delicious. So very good. Now we're watching the water and the ducks. Andrew got dark chocolate and strawberry gelato.
Tripping.
Ready? And then got a little thing of yogurt. Now we're about to go on our boat excursion.
but the best hotel around the lake is Villa d'Este in Chernobyl, near Como. For one night, the price for the basic room is about 1,000.
This villa is where they filmed Casino Royale and Star Wars. It is gorgeous. So we just finished a tour of the villa, and it's probably the prettiest thing I think I've ever seen, been a part of. Everything is gorgeous. This guy who owned the place was methodical, rich, beautiful. Look at this. Look how pretty this is. There's Andrew. So we're back home. We have dinner with Moreno tonight. He's picking us up in 2 hours. So trying to coerce Andrew to play 620 with me.
I'm gonna play.
You said you're gonna pack.
I said I'm gonna play, and I'd like to start to pack a little bit.
Okay, let's go play. That boat ride was so much fun. You see the glow? It's still glowing. To be bright. I also put some right here. Not as bright, but you know. Quick changed, refresh, a couple games of 6-penny, and we are off to dinner. Marino's so sweet. He will pick you up and drop you off for his cooking class or for dinner. And so now we're waiting by the same place he picked us up for our cooking class earlier this week by the tennis courts. Our fourth course, after the bread, salami, vegetables, the risotto, the pasta. Now we're on to the veal and potatoes, and Andrew has the fish.